Alrighty, are you ready? 2 rounds of the Wim Hof method style power breathing pranayama type breathing technique. This is what I do before I go for a run. I find when I do this, my respiratory pathway is opened. I feel a lot more fluid when I'm running. Everything from a physiological perspective just feels 10 times better. If you're new to breathwork and you're a runner, definitely give this a go. Don't, however, do this if you suffer from the below contraindications such as COPD, heart arrhythmia, etc., etc. Be aware of the difference in breathing techniques that I do. I really love to mix all this stuff up. I make it up as I go along sometimes. Sometimes I breathe in a rhythm, sometimes I don't. There's lots of reasons for doing all of this, but really, this is how I do a bit of breath work before I run, which is slightly different to the kind of breath work I do in the morning, let's say after I've woken up, or in the afternoon when I might need a bit of a wake up. There's loads more of this stuff on my channel. The purpose of this video is really just to show you how I breathe before I go for a run. So if you're ready and you want to join in, and remember, of course, diaphragmatic breathing, meaning breathing from the belly. Every time you inhale, your stomach protrudes. So okay, so it's from the belly, diaphragmatic breathing. If you're ready, in 3, 2, 1, here we go. So how was that? You'll probably find after doing those 2 rounds, you feel like you need to breathe less. You will probably feel a bit lightheaded. You may have had a few tingly sensations. There's something certainly on the inhale breath hold when I'm clenching the mula bandha. This is something that I tend to do, which is the perineum muscle. If you clench that on the inhale breath hold, give that a go. You get a bit of what a friend in America calls a bliss wiggle, a bit of a shiver up and down your spine. I'm now ready for a run. You should be too. I hope you were aware of the extra little enhancements there, adding in the Om sound for a bit of vagal stimulation. The vagus nerve runs from your stomach to the mind. It's a wonderful pathway of sending messages from inside. Stimulate that nerve by operating or by doing a Om sound on the exhale, which is the and you'll feel it throughout the whole body. There's lots of different things I do. That was pretty much what I tend to do there before I go for a run. I'm now going to go for a run. If you are too, I hope you enjoy it. I guarantee your run will be far better than it ever has been before. So good luck, have fun. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There's lots of tips, advice, practices that I've learned over the last few years, looking at various methods to evolve. Anyway, there we are. Evolution of Dave signing off. See you later. Bye for now.